We've made it to Shibuya again. We're here for Saturday night lowrider stuff. I've recorded a video on this before and I have neglected to post it. Sarah's here looking cute as hell. But yeah, we're in the middle of Yoyogi Park. It's also R34 day. It's one of my friend's Mercedes. This thing's pretty sick too. There's a lot of cars here. Huh? Yeah. Oh, R35. It's a Y plate too. Whose is this? So Y plate means that he's American from Atsugi. That is nice. It's a nice front bumper. I've never seen this one. Here's Tristan Z. What are you doing? Hey look, Sarah, this time I'm smarter. I bought a battery in my pocket. I never do that. Intelligent. What is this goose? There's a goose. Or I wonder if he uses Aflac. Nice Stasia. I wonder if it's a true Nismo, if that's a thing. Another R34, but it's like a wide body R35. Looks like a top secret stuff on it. I can't tell, it's dark. It's a pretty cool scene, like out of a movie. Mike's Huracan, very jealous. I like your hat. Where can you get it? It won't focus, dang it. There it is. Found Ken's frickin' GT3 RS. I guess he decided to drive that today. Before here, just take its same plate. Before you crank it though, open the valve. So on the key fob. And our buddy Brendan is back in Japan for a short time. His super sexy cappuccino to the meat. I don't want to get hit by a car. Yeah, you guys have seen this plenty of times. It's beautiful. It's a very sexy little car, and I want one. Be such a fun thing to whip around. Yeah, unfortunately, though, he leaves Japan for good soon, in like a month, and he's taking this with him. So that sucks, but at least we can see him again. Yeah, apparently we're going to Akihabara soon, so I'm going to catch some stuff while it's still here. There's a lot of white plates today, including myself. This Z has a very interesting bumper. I've never seen it before. And this is the end of the line right here. It ends, kinda ends at this Mark II. Yay, content. Yay, content. Shoot, hell yeah. Yay, content. Made it to the second location here by the Rainbow Bridge. You're stupid. There was a cop right next to us and you floored it. And I was like, this frickin' idiot. So I went, like a nice, I went like a nice lawful gentleman and I did not speed. This is pretty cool though. I've never been here. There's a lot of space. Yeah, I curbed it. That whole, my car, the type of wheels it is, if within 2 feet it's a curb. So.
Deleted my blow-up valve, so I have to. If I did that, my transmission would just blow up.
If we get.
Because the H22 transmissions are made of glass.
It's not supposed to be an American car, me. What's happening?
What happened?
People doing burnouts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, if I had my other car, I burn out all over right here.
If this was an auto, it's like an auto.
Dude's freaking lights turned off.
Oh, you smell that? It's cancer.
I was smelling this guy the entire time. I could smell you from like half a mile away, dude.
I'm sorry, every time I step on it, it starts to
No, doing rollers. Rainbow Bridge. That is Rainbow Bridge. Why is it called Rainbow Bridge? It's because it usually gets lit up like a rainbow. Right now, it is not. I wouldn't say rainbow. They change colors every day. Lately they haven't, but they might be doing it again. I don't know.
Did I leave an accident on any of my poles?
No,
No, I just got a little squirrely.
no,
I did at one point.
I didn't see nothing.
I
Um,
think I did.
I didn't see you. I mean, I was not paying attention.
Got one off.
That is so cool. You got the Porsche
Here,
with the freaking train in the background.
I didn't put it back
Oh,
on.
there it is. It's pretty sick.
I'll put it on here.
I've ridden on that train. It's freaking dope. If you come to Tokyo, you definitely need to ride a train from here to Odaiba. It's very interesting because you're over the water and crap. It's pretty nice. Yeah.
We gotta come actually here for.
Hey, next meet. We'll
Yeah.
come when it's not nighttime.
Yeah, next meet. Actually, let's do it here. This is lit.
And it's free.
It's free. It's beautiful. Like I don't feel like you're bothering.
And you're like,
anybody.
yeah, you're really like out of the way. There's no houses because it's all
Yeah.
industrial. So.
Which is actually the big part. Like,
So freaking cool. Such a cool scene. Definitely glad I came out tonight. I was not originally going to come. Super happy I made the decision. Hell yeah. My God. I've never heard it that loud before.
It is a little bit better. It's a little bit better.
My boy parked next to the R8. Such a beautiful car.
You know, I'm enjoying you guys, but I have a Honda, so I'm not gonna do that shit.
Do it.
No, absolutely not.
At the car meet. Hell yeah. There they go. That's great. That sounded nice. Smells like Xavy
Shut
soon.
up, guys. Running.
They're like, Jesus. Good old rummer. You have no lights, sir. There's the lights. Head out and go to Skia and get food now. This is pretty sick. Everyone is pretty much out. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the restaurant. So somehow, completely accidentally, we show up at our destination, and then frickin' Ken is right there. This looks amazing. He started without us. You said you weren't even hungry.
So you were okay?
Yeah. Oh, he could eat. Didn't say you were frickin' starving, bro. You almost done.
The food came in front of me and I said,
So here I got curry. Looks fire. I never record food, but then people commented like, why didn't you record the food? So here we go. Embassy man got food too.
I don't know what I got.
Well, you got salad, and you got exactly what I got actually.
Did it?
Yeah.
Because I wanted something spicy.
It says that it's spicy, but this is Japan.
Numbing.
Yeah. Just finished at Skia, and now we're going to go to Daikoku. It's like almost 2 a.m., but apparently everyone's going to Daikoku at 3:30. Interesting night. It is currently 2 a.m. and Daikoku has come back to life. They shut it down at like 8:30 this evening. He has no plates. He's going that way, probably. My man got no plates. Yeah. This dude has a rock. These guys have some super clean cars. Very clean. Yeah, I love this color though. This color's sick. Pretty cool Civic just appeared over here. One of those like Kaido racer type with a really interesting livery. He's got some like Jack Daniels livery with a 69. Nice. Yellow headlights look nice with the orange. And it's beat to hell, just the way it should be. I bet this thing sounds insane. That's a fast blinker, my god. See how fast this blinker is? It's freaking beep. Had a conversation with that Jack Daniels Civic dude and his friends, and they were pretty chill. It was nice to meet you guys. If you liked this video, please click that like button. If you didn't like it, then click that button too. I don't care, it still helps. Please subscribe. I do things like this all the time. Gonna be doing a lot more supercar stuff, thanks to my supercar that, you know, is my secret ticket into that scene. And yeah, I mean, I do a lot of JDM stuff as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, and have a good night. And I'll see you in the next one.